Hello everyone. Today I am here not to teach anything, but let me discuss with you my experience, my journey as a COVID-19 patient. Yes, you heard it absolutely correct. Actually, this month on 12th of September, I was detected COVID positive. Yes. But let me tell you before this that what were the symptoms for which I had to go to do the test for COVID. So the symptoms were like, initially I was having a little bit of fever, which I thought it was due to just the normal fever that we have due to weather change and all. So it was around, the temperature was around 98 to 99 degree Fahrenheit, not more than that. Very light fever. So I used to have paracetamol tablets. I used to have body aches. So that was normal. But what was striking was that on 11th of September, suddenly I lost the sense of smell. So that struck me because I had heard that there were many COVID patients who had a symptom of losing their smell and taste. So hence, for the safety of my family members, for the safety of myself and my near and dear ones, I went for self-isolation from 12th of September. And on 12th of September itself, I went for a COVID test also. And on Sunday, as usual, I was waiting for the report to come, and the report came that I was COVID positive. So it was like I was just kind of broken down, and I felt that as if I'm going to die within a few days, because there are so many cases of death in India, and the moment you switch on the television set, you get to hear all these news, which makes you even more worried. But my family members stood beside me. I got a lot of support from them, lots and lots of mental support rather. And then I consulted my general physician. He advised me to take rest for 14 days in self-quarantine, in self-isolation. And at the same time, he prescribed me some medicines. What medicines? Number 1, very important, vitamin C, vitamin D and zinc-based medicines, which will boost your immunity. And along with that, he also prescribed me an antibiotic. Generally, azithromycin is suggested for COVID. And he advised me to drink a lot of water, take bath in hot water, gargle with hot water. If I am to drink any water, that has to be hot water. So everything hot, even the food also has to be hot. No cold food allowed. And at the same time, he also advised me to take a lot of vapor, steam. So it's almost 12 days which has passed by. Another 2 more days are left to end my quarantine period, and I am okay. But the one thing is that this COVID infection makes you very weak from inside. Means it kind of reduces your immunity power. It makes you very weak. So doctor suggested to have lots and lots of fruits and good food. And one thing is that though I am okay, I had no breathing troubles, nothing. My oxygen saturation was absolutely alright throughout this period. It was around 96 to 98. So nothing to worry. I had nothing to worry about that. But the only thing is that I have not yet regained my sense of smell and taste, which the doctor has suggested that maybe after 14 days I may get the sense of smell and taste. So I am waiting for that eagerly. And after 14 days I will be going for another COVID test, and hopefully it comes negative. And then I can come out of my quarantined life and I can meet my near and dear ones. So this is my journey, my ongoing COVID journey, where once I recover, I'm going to make another video which is going to boost you a lot, you people a lot. Many of us have lots of queries about this COVID infection. So thank you all, thank you everybody, and stay very, very safe. Thank you.